In circle E, already that's important information. This indicates that E is the center of the circle. Tangent line segment PA, quick review, tangent means it touches a circle at 1 point. And secant line segment PBC, and once again, the vocabulary word secant means it crosses the circle at 2 points. So tangent, 1 point, secant, 2 points. Just a review on vocabulary. If PB is 9 and BC is 16, determine and state the length of line segment PA. So I'll put a question mark here. So whenever we're dealing with circles, there's two main types of angle problems that we have in circles. So this is what I call an out situation because the line segments are branching out of the circle, whereas we have the in where we have intersecting chords, and so this would be in because the line segments are in the circle. Well, right now let's focus on the out. So the formula is actually quite simple. It's outer part times whole equals outer part times whole. Keep in mind in both situations, whether it's an outside situation or inside situation, you have to look at one line segment at a time. Okay. So let's look over here. So this is the line segment we're looking at here. What is the outer part? So it's outside the circle, and I'll call this X. The outer part is X. And what is the whole line segment? It is also X. Okay, so I looked at the blue line segment. You look at one line segment at a time. And now let's look at this green line segment. What is the outer part? It's 9. And what is the whole line segment? Well, 16 plus 9 is 25. And so you do your algebra. X times X is X squared. 9 times 25. I can multiply that out, but since I'm going to end up doing the square root, I'll just leave it broken up. So opposite of a square is square root. What you do on the left, you do to the right. And so what's the square root of 9? 3. What's the square root of 25? 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now, if you multiply 9 times 25, you get 225, and the square root of 225 is also 15. But if you're going to break down the numbers, might as well leave it broken down already like I showed you right here. So here, X is 15, and go back to the problem. We're looking for PA, which is X. So PA equals 15 units.